In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your BambooHR API key. To begin, log into your BambooHR account. Once you're logged in, look at the bottom left-hand corner of your screen and click on your profile icon. A menu box will appear, and in that menu, you'll see an option labeled API Keys. Click on it to open the API Key section. From here, you'll need to create a new API key. You'll notice a button that says Add New Key. If you don't see this option, it means you don't have the necessary permissions to create API keys, and your account likely has employee-level access. To generate API keys, you must have admin privileges. If you are an admin and can see the Add New Key button, click on it. You'll now be asked to name your API key. This name can refer to anything you want. For example, if you're creating a key to integrate BambooHR with another software, you can type in that software's name. Once you've named it, click on Generate Key. Your new API key will now appear on the screen. Remember, this key is confidential and will only be shown once by BambooHR, so make sure to copy it immediately and store it safely. Click on Copy Key and save it somewhere secure, as BambooHR will not display it again for security reasons. After copying the key, click on Done. Now, your key will appear in the list of registered API keys. From this list, you can edit the key's name if necessary, or delete it if it's no longer needed. And this is how you can generate and manage your API key in BambooHR.